Discover the power of Shakeology, a complete meal in a glass. When it comes to nutrition, Shakeology is a game changer. This powerful shake is packed with proteins, vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Here's why you should consider adding Shakeology to your daily routine. High-quality protein Shakeology is packed with high-quality protein that helps build lean muscle and reduce cravings. It's a great way to ensure you're getting enough protein in your diet, especially if you're trying to lose weight or build muscle. Essential vitamins and minerals. Shakeology is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that many of us don't get enough of in our diets. These nutrients are vital for overall health and well-being and can help boost energy levels, improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. Superfoods and antioxidants. Shakeology also contains a blend of superfoods and antioxidants that can help fight inflammation, support heart health, and promote healthy skin. With Shakeology, you're not just getting a protein shake. You're getting a complete meal that's designed to fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied. So, why wait? Try Shakeology and discover the benefits for yourself.